Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Today we are going to continue with the same chapter, Maths chapter 4, Subtraction part 3. Okay. Now in today's class we are going to do how to arrange horizontally and subtract. Last time we had done how to arrange vertically and subtract, right? So today we will do arrange horizontally and subtract. Now here we have done addition sums if you remember, children, how to do horizontally, right? Same way we are going to do subtraction sums also. But only thing is that here you have to subtract the numbers horizontally. Okay. Now you can see the numbers 5, 5, 5 minus 2, 2, 2, 2, right? So what you will do first? You will start from units place. Now you have to see where is units place. Okay. The first number 5 is in units place. I'm going to show you with different colors so that you will know the place. So we will do this 5 will be subtracted with this 2. So what will be your answer? 5 minus 2 will be how much? 3. Right. Now I will take. Now we will go to next place. Next place is tens place. So we will do again 5 minus 2. How much you will get 5 minus 2? Yes, it will be 3. Right. Now we will do next number, that is hundreds place. You have to minus units with units, tens with tens, hundred with hundreds, and thousand with thousands, right? Now we will do hundreds place. So again 5 minus 2. How much you will get? Again you will get 3, right? Now we will do thousands place number, that is here. 5 minus 2. What is your answer again? 5 minus 2? Yes, it will be 3. So your answer is 3,333. Okay. Now let us do next sum. Here also see the question 8740 minus 3520. Okay. So now how you are going to start from the units place. Now see the units place number. Which number is in units place? Yes, 0. So we will start 0 minus 0. What will be your answer? 0 minus 0? 0 minus 0 will be 0. Right. Now we will go to tens place. See the number on tens place. Yes. So 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 will be how much? You will get 2 only. Okay. Now we will take another place we will go. That is hundreds place. Which numbers are there in hundreds place? 7 and 5. So you will draw the line. 7 minus 5. How much you will get 7 minus 5? Yes, 7 minus 5 is 2. Now we will go to next place. That is thousands place, right? Which numbers are there on thousands place? 8 and 3. So you will draw the line. 8 minus 3 is how much? Yes, 5. So what will be your answer? 5,220. What is your answer? 5,220. Now here also see the question, children. 4, 3, 2, 1 minus 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Now here also we are going to subtract horizontally. So let us start from units place. See the number on units place, 1 and 0. So 1 minus 0 will be how much? Yes, 1 minus 0 will be 1, because out of 1 you are not subtracting anything. 0 is nothing. So you will get number only. Right. Now we will go to tens place. Now see the number on tens place. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 will be how much? Out of 2 you have to subtract 1. How much you will get 2 minus 1? Yes. 2 minus 1 will be 1. Right. Now we will go to hundreds place. Right. Which are the numbers on hundreds place? Yes. 3 and 2. So 3 minus 2 will be how much? Yes. Again you will get 1. Right. Now we will go to thousands place. Now thousands place, what is the number on thousands place? 4 and 3, right? So 4 minus 3, out of 4 you have to minus 3. How much you will get? Yes, you will get 1. 4 minus 3 is how much? 1. So what is your answer? 1111. 1111. Now last sum we are going to, that is 9840 minus 4610. Here also we are going to start from units place. Right. Now see the numbers on units place. 0 minus 0. What will be your answer? 0 minus 0 will be? Yes, 0. Now we will go to tens place. See the number on tens place? Yes, 4 and 1, right? 4 minus 1, how much you will get? 3. Okay. Now we will go to hundreds place. See the numbers on hundreds place? 8 minus 6. What you will get 8 minus 6? Yes, 2. 8 minus 6 is how much? 2. Now we will go to thousands place. Now see the numbers on thousands place. 9 and 4, right? So 9 minus 4. How much it is? Yes, 5. So what will be your answer? 5230. What is your answer? 5230. Okay, now see the questions here. These are also 4-digit numbers, right? You can see the numbers are arranged vertically, but these 4-digit numbers are sums of subtraction by borrowing. You have to borrow and do the sum. First, I am going to read the question. Then we are going to solve it. Now see the question here. First place is written units, tens, hundred, thousand. What is the question? 4215 minus 2649. Right? Now we are going to start from units place. Now you will see the numbers in units place. What is the number? 5 and 9. Can you subtract 9 from 5? No, right? So what you will do? You will go to tens place. And you will cut 1 there. What will come in tens place now? From 10 you have taken 1 in units place. So what will left in tens place? 0. And that 110 you will take to units place. First you will cut 5 And then what you will write in units place? Yes, you will write 110 and 5 unit will be 15. So 15 minus 9. What will be your answer, children? Yes, it is 6. Very good. Now we will go to tens place. Now see tens place number. You cannot subtract 4 from 0, right? So what you will do? You will go to hundreds place. You have to borrow from hundreds place. So you will cut 2. What will be there in hundreds place now? What will remain left? 1. And you will take, go to tens place. Now you will cut 0. And what will come in tens place now? 10. Because you borrowed 1 from hundreds place. Now in tens place you got 10. 10 tens, right? So now it is easy. Now you can subtract 10 minus 4. Yes, you will get 6. Very good. Now we will go to hundreds place. Now see here in hundreds place again the above number is small 1. You cannot subtract 6 from 1. Isn't it? So what you will do? You will borrow from thousands place. So you will cut 4. What will left in thousands place now? 3. And you will go to hundreds place. Now you borrowed 1000 and you will take it to hundreds place. You will cut 1. And what will come in hundreds place now? Yes, 11. Right? Now 11 minus 6. Now you can subtract. So 11 minus 6 is how much? 5. Very good. Now we will go to thousands place. Now see the numbers in thousands place. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is how much? 1. Very good. So what is your answer? 1566. What is your answer? 1566. Now we will do next sum. Here also you can see the numbers are arranged vertically. That is 9074 minus 6537. Now let us see how to subtract. Now see the units place number 4 and 7. Now you cannot subtract 7 from 4. Right? 4 is small, 7 is big. What you will do? Yes, you will go to tens place. You will ask 10 to give 1 to you. So, now what you will do? You will cut 7. What will left in tens place now? Out of 7 you have taken 1. So, 7 minus 1, 6. Now you can go to units place. Cut 4 and take that 110 in units place. So, what will come in units place now? 14. Very good. Now you can subtract, right? Now 14 is big, 7 is small. So 14 minus 7. What will come now? Yes. 14 minus 7 is 7. Very good, children. Now we will go to tens place, right? Now tens place, see the numbers. 6 minus 3. Now 6 is big. You can minus 3 from 6, right? What will be the answer 6 minus 3? Yes, it is 3. Very good. Now we will go to hundreds place. Now see the numbers 0 and 5. You cannot minus 5 from 0, right? So what you will do? You will go to thousands place. Yes, you can borrow from thousands place. So what you will do? You will cut 9 and you will, what will left in thousands place now? 9 minus 1, 8. Now you will take that 1000 to hundreds place. So you will cut 0 and what will come in hundreds place now? 10. Very good. Now we can minus from hundreds place. 10 minus 5. Bigger number is up, 10, and smaller number is down, 5. So 10 minus 5 will be how much? Yes, 5. Very good. Now we will go to thousands place. Okay. Now see the numbers in thousands place, children. 8 minus 6. So 8 minus 6 will be how much? Yes, 8 minus 6 is 2. So what is your answer? 2537. 2537. This is how you have to do subtraction by borrowing. Now let us do one more sum. Okay, here also you can see the place is written units, tens, hundred, thousand. And the question is 5783 minus 2897. Okay, now we are going to start from units place. Okay, see the numbers in units place, 3 and 7. You cannot minus 7 from 3, right? So what you will do? You want a bigger number there, right? So you will go to your neighbor, tens place, and borrow from there, right? So you will cut 8 in tens place. You will borrow 1 to units place. So 8 minus 1, what will left in tens place? 7. So after borrowing 1 from tens place, you will go to units place now, right? You will cut 3 and what you will get in units place now? 1, 10 and 3 units. How much it will be? 13. Very good. Now you can subtract, right? 13 minus 7. How much it will be? Yes, very good. It is how much? 6. Now we will see tens place. Now here also you can see tens place. 7 is small, 9 is big. Can you subtract 9 from 7? No. What you will do? You will go to hundreds place. So now what you will do? You will go to hundreds place to borrow. So you will cut 7. Out of 7 you will take 1 to tens place. So 7 minus 1 will be how much? 6. Now you have to take 1 to tens place, right? So what you will do? You will cut 7 and what will come there now? Yes, 17, right? Now you can subtract. Now 17 is big number, right? And 9 is small. So 17 minus 9. How much it will be? Yes, it is 8. Very good. So you got the correct answer, right? Now we will go to hundreds place. Here also again you can see 6 is small, 8 is big. Can you subtract? No. So what you will do? Yes, you will borrow. Now you will go to thousands place. You will cut 5. You will take 5 minus 1. So what will left in thousands place now? 4. And at 1000 you will take to hundreds place. So you will cut 6 and you can write what? Yes, 16. Now 16 minus 8. Count how much will come 16 minus 8. Yes. Find the answer, children. Yes. You will get 8. Very good. Now we will go to thousands place. Now 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. Out of 4 you have to cut 2. How much will left? Yes. 4 minus 2 is 2. So what is your answer? 2886. 2886. Now we will do another sum. Now see the question, children. 3, 2, 4, 5 minus 1, 1, 2, 7. Okay, we are going to start from, yes, units place. Now see the number in units place, 5 and 7. Now you cannot subtract again 7 from 5, right? Because 5 is small, 7 is big. So what you will do? You will go to your neighbor, right? Tens place. Now you can ask tens to give you 1. You can borrow from there. So you will cut 4. You will 4 minus 1. How much will left in tens place? 3. And at 110 you can take 2 units place. So you will cut 5, 110 and 5 units. How much will be there in units place now? 15. Very good. So now you got bigger number up, right? Now you can subtract. So 15 minus 7. How much it will be? Yes, it will be 8. Very good. Now we will go to tens place. That is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is how much? Yes, 1. Very good. Now we will go to hundreds place. Now here also bigger number is up. 2 minus 1. What is your answer? 2 minus 1? Yes, 1. Very good. Now we will go to thousands place. 3 minus 1. What is your answer? Yes, 2. So you will get 2,118. 2,118. Now with this I have taught you how to do subtraction by borrowing of 4-digit numbers, children. Okay. Thank you.